What if your computer could help you create a project like a partner, not just a tool? That's what ChatGPT's new Canvas feature is all about. It lets you work with AI directly inside your screen, making it easier and more fun to build cool stuff. Let's take a look at how it works and why tech fans everywhere are excited. Canvas is a new tool in ChatGPT that helps you write and edit big projects with AI. It's kind of like Google Docs, but way smarter. You get a full page to work on, and ChatGPT helps you brainstorm, write, fix mistakes, and even code. Instead of just typing in a chat box, you now have a whole space to organize everything. You can ask it to add new parts, fix old ones, or give you ideas as you go. It feels more like working with a helpful teammate than just chatting with a bot. When you open a document in Canvas, you'll see a split screen. One side is your document, and the other is where you talk to ChatGPT. Let's say you're making a YouTube script. You can highlight a sentence and say, "Make this more exciting," and it'll fix it right there. No need to copy and paste anything. It remembers everything you've written, so the edits make sense with the rest of your work. You can also use things like headers, bullet points, and version history to stay organized. Canvas is great for anyone working on big or creative projects. Writers can build stories and essays. Students can write papers or reports. Coders can get help building apps or fixing bugs. Marketers can plan social posts and edit ideas quickly. Even teachers can build lesson plans and quizzes in real time. If you've ever felt like AI tools were too basic, Canvas gives you a smarter way to work. It's like having a helper who's always ready to build cool things with you. Say you're creating a YouTube video about tech. With Canvas, you can write your outline, build your script, and ask for better hook lines or punchy jokes. Or maybe you're starting a business. You can write your pitch, get suggestions, and make it clearer with ChatGPT. Students can write essays, get help making arguments stronger, and fix grammar too. Developers can even generate code, fix it, and write about it all in the same space. It's a smarter way to handle complex work without switching apps all the time. Canvas runs on top of ChatGPT's powerful language engine, GPT-4. It's trained to understand writing, grammar, logic, and structure. It also remembers what you're working on, so suggestions fit your project. You can ask it to rewrite things to sound simpler, match a certain tone, or fit a new audience. It works fast and is part of the ChatGPT Pro experience. So, you're not just chatting, you're co-creating. AI is not just for asking quick questions anymore. With Canvas, it becomes part of your creative process. It helps you organize your thoughts, work faster, and improve your ideas. It also makes working with AI feel more human. Instead of just giving you answers, it helps build your projects from start to finish. This makes it easier for people to create better content without stress. If you love making things and want help from tech, this tool is a big step forward. But of course, no tool is perfect. Canvas is still learning and may not always understand what you want. Sometimes it gives suggestions that don't quite fit. Also, if your instructions aren't clear, the AI might get confused. And there are still things to think about, like how safe your content is or how the data is used. So, always double-check your work, especially if it's for school or something important. OpenAI is working to make Canvas better all the time, and your feedback helps a lot. Canvas is just the beginning of how AI will help with creative work. It's showing that AI can be more than just a tool. It can be a teammate. Writers, artists, developers, and students all have more power with tools like this. It's not about replacing people, it's about helping them go further. As AI improves, it'll help more with editing, organizing, and even creative thinking. The future of working with AI looks a lot more like teamwork. Would you try using Canvas to write, code, or brainstorm? Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd build. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about NVIDIA Agent.